Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll explain how to increase download speed on PC by adjusting a few simple Windows settings. Now let's get started. Method 1, Step 1, open the Start menu, type Data Usage, and click on Data Usage Overview. This section shows how much internet data your system and apps are using, which helps identify what may be slowing your downloads. Step 2. Click on Data Usage and wait for it to load completely. Here, Windows displays detailed data consumption information for each application. Step 3. Review the list of applications using the most data. This is important because apps running in the background can silently reduce your available download speed. Step 4. Uninstall or remove unnecessary apps that are constantly using the internet. Removing these apps frees up bandwidth and helps improve overall download performance. Method 2. Step 1. Open the Start menu, go to Settings, and then click on Network and Internet Settings. This area controls how your PC connects to the internet and manages data limits. Step 2. Click on Properties under your active network connection. This opens specific settings related to the network you are currently using. Step 3. Scroll down to find the metered connection option. When enabled, this setting limits data usage, which can slow down downloads. Step 4. Toggle off the metered connection option. Turning this off removes data restrictions and allows your PC to use full internet speed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful and easy to follow tutorials.